Transfer money from Truist to Chase Bank. Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today you're going to learn how to transfer money from Truist to Chase Bank. So let's get started. First, sign into Truist online banking or the mobile application. Then after signing in, go to transfer and pay section from the main menu. Here you will see an option manage external accounts. Tap on it and choose to add a non-Truist account. Then you will be prompted to enter your Chase account details, for example, account type, routing number, and account number. Enter all of them and complete the verification process. You can do it either by logging into Chase or confirming small test deposits. Once verified, return to transfer and pay section. Here, select transfer money. Then select your Truist account as the source and Chase account as the destination. Then enter the amount, transfer date, and whether it's one time or recurring. Review the information and submit the transfer. Allow 1 to 3 business days for the transfer to process. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.